To remove and replace the thermal printer paper on the CEM Smart 6, follow these steps. Lift the lever to open the cover. Remove the old roll of paper and replace it with a new one, leaving a bit of paper to be fed. Press the white button to feed the paper through and ensure it is properly aligned. To print a test page and ensure the printer is working properly, from the main menu, navigate the printing option located in the hamburger menu on the bottom right-hand corner. Select the printer and press Print Test. Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solid analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventative maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.